What are known as co-initial vectors? Co-initial is actually derived from common initial. Two or more vectors are known as co-initial vectors whose common point is there, and that common point is only the initial point. So, two or more vectors having a common initial point, common initial point are called as co-initial vectors. So, that is very important to note. Suppose I have these vectors and this vector is there that is starting from A and that is going towards B. So, it is named as small a vector. Now, from this point A only, if I have another vector and that vector goes in this direction, this point is C and this is known as small b vector. These are co-initial vectors because the initial point is same. The terminal point is not into picture when talking about the co-initial. Again, I repeat, two or more vectors which have the common initial point are known as co-initial vectors. This diagram shows well what kind of vectors I am talking about.